Hey everybody, Mama Tree 21 here, and I've got my two kids with me. I've got Emmett.
Hi.
And Asher.
Hi.
And we are going to open up some Unified Minds dollar store packs. And he's got some packs too. We're going to have a pack battle.
Yep.
And then I've got this pin collection with a Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion booster pack. And
we're all going to get one coin.
And an Evolution booster pack.
Yes,
We'll see. And we've got the 3-pack of the Darkness Ablaze. So we're going to save those for last. And we're going to open up Unified Minds. So go ahead and go first, honey.
Me?
Yeah, there wasn't a Flareon, but that's okay because we got Eevee.
So, I'm going to open this one. Okay.
Okay, honey. You can open mine.
And we do get a card.
It's not a code card. It's just
a card.
like an info card.
Yep.
Yeah.
So, geez. Oh, that one was.
Oh,
dang it.
well, you got a good card though. Let's see what else is in there.
Oh, okay.
All right, let's see.
It's like a GX sign.
It is
I did not mean to see that.
Garchomp and Giratina.
So,
Phone will not focus on this.
that's a new one for my binder. So I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy, but I'm really. I only saw like the guard shop. I didn't know there's another one.
Here's my first one. Take your garbage. I'm gonna pull them out, and I'm gonna let my 3-year-old do them. Hold on, I'm gonna put them in the right order. Okay. Show us what we have. We have Pikachu,
Ew.
Basculin, and Whimsicott.
Oh, I
See it. So we did get a rare out of the dollar store.
I didn't.
Emmett's winning. Go ahead, honey.
So I'm gonna go with this one. Oh no! I had to open it. Oh. Oh. So I'm being so silly. So one of these.
Yanma.
Oh.
Ooh, and a hollow rare. You're doing really good. A Lapras and a hollow rare Golisopod. Nice.
So
Sit up, honey. I can't see.
I think that's another point.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. So far I have like 1 or 2 points.
Okay, we're going to take out the middle card and put it in the back because that is where the rare is going to be if there is one in here. So we have a Snow Runt. Go ahead. Lift it off. And a Pokemon Research Lab and a Celebi.
I really need that one. Yeah.
That is a rare though, and it's a hollow rare. Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Okay, so
It is a hollow. Very nice.
Garden.
Very pretty.
I'm sorry if I scared
Let's
you.
put this back here.
Are we done? Is there all the collectors on here? Of course. Yep. So I don't think there's a GX in here. One. Oh, dang.
You got a Finneon, Noctowl, and Axew. Axew? I don't know.
All of these are like new ones.
Okay, I've got this one. Lift it off. We will put this one in the back.
There's my card pile. There you go.
And let's see what we got. Fletchling, Metal Energy, and an Onyx.
Oh, dang it.
Awesome.
I don't think I had an Onyx. Okay, so my last boost. Okay. I guess they're right there. So,
You have 2 more. I have 2 more. Go ahead.
It's hard to do this.
Good job.
Why did I do that? I'm silly. Oh, now I already know it's not a GX.
That's okay. Put it in front of the phone, honey. We want to see. And let me read the name. We got Hoot Hoot and an Electric Energy and Sableye.
Actually, that's like a new one.
And it's a reverse hollow.
Oh, I did not even see that. Okay.
This one.
Oh, what do you get? And
Please. I'll put this one in the back. We have a Litwick and Steenie and a Lowland Grimer. It's a reverse hollow.
Okay, my turn. My turn. What? There you go. Oh, this is actually a new one. Okay. Okay. Come. That's right. So.
Silly goose.
Why? I really hope this is another. If this is a rainbow, where I'm gonna like. I don't like that one.
Marini.
Oh, look at that.
Why not? Toxapex.
Oh, that's
Nice.
Oh, I actually got that one. Oh, but it's almost the Wobba Fett.
Alright, this is our last dollar store pack.
And then you're gonna
Let me
open
see.
the two by yourself. So these are all my cards. My cards. I opened them, so they're mine. Pull. I don't get it. So they're gonna be mine. Ooh.
Alright.
Don't tell me you're gonna get a rainbow wear.
Nope. Carablast. Recycle Energy and a Honedge.
I win.
Emmett definitely wins.
'Cause I got one GX in
Where's it at?
There we go.
You got this one.
So, sorry, Mom, you had bad luck.
Bad luck? I don't know why you can't, like, read it. It's driving me insane right now. All right, so here we have.
I have my shoes for this one.
Here we have the the pin blisters with the Tapu Lele, Tapu Fini, and Tapu Bulu. And yes, I had to look those up to make sure I had the right ones. And then we've also got the Darkness Ablaze Eevee blister pack, the 3-pack. And we're going to open up this one first. I will show you guys. Here's the back. Everything that you get.
Boom, boom, boom.
I guess I probably could have looked at the back. Yeah, I could have looked at the back. Right there. That was a moment. Fail moment. But
I was gonna say, you could. I've looked at the back, but no. You're too busy. I'm making your video and I was gonna say it.
Can you hold this? Just like that.
Yep. Yes, I can.
Right there.
Hi. Now you're gonna just put this on a movie.
Tapu Bulu.
Vernas.
Vernas. We've got Tapu Fini.
We can see it. Yep.
Ooh, very nice. Very nice. I love how detailed they all are. All these little
like
gold
the best
areas and.
I like that one. That one's like the best.
You like that one the best?
Yep.
It's very pretty. I do like that one.
Yay.
And then we've got a
Venusaur.
Evolutions Venusaur artwork and a Sun Moon Crimson Invasion. And I cannot tell who that is. I'm sorry.
I think that
I'm failing at being a Pokemon fan right now. But I'll get better over time.
So where are you opening this?
Set our pins Right here. And I'm going to open evolutions first.
Why?
Because I like evolutions. And
like
Venusaur is one of my favorites. Hold it over here. Okay. There you go. And then I'll let you open the Crimson Invasion pack.
Okay.
I'm going to do this so that they can have the code card. And we don't see if there is any good cards. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. It's XY series. Only 3. So we have Rattata, Caterpie, Magnemite, excuse me, a Voltorb, Sandshrew, Super Potion, double colorless energy, Professor Oak's Hint, a reverse hollow Beedrill, and Eradicate.
So
Yay!
So here you go.
Hold on. I'm gonna set these to the side.
I'll take
take
there.
this.
I'll take
And
this.
you.
I'm just opening it for you, right?
Yeah, just open it up. We'll see what we got.
See what you got. I'm just opening it up for you. Wait, why are you looking at my face? I was like,
You need help?
nope.
No, you got it. Oh, almost.
Well, I almost got it. Okay, so I think I just have to do this like the other way.
Here.
Oh, dang, it's so close. So there I go. I think I should get it. Okay. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome, honey.
My favorite guy. So look at that out of the front. Guys, welcome to Sayat. I'm just getting these open for
Aw,
Mom.
man. Showed the code card.
I didn't bend it too much.
That's okay.
So,
We don't care if the code card gets bent, honey.
was
We
it
just
3
don't like to
or
see the
a
back.
4?
4.
Okay, so I'm gonna do the. Yeah.
What do you want to guess?
So I'm gonna guess fighting.
Oh.
I never get sidekick, and I never thought I would.
What are you doing?
Oh, that's a new Kakuna. Kakuna Unanat.
Selgor.
Okay.
Sea of Nothingness. A Jangmo O. Staryu. Houndour. Ghastly. Corfish. Shelmet. Reverse Hollow. And an Excavalier. Hoo.
Now, time for this one.
All right.
I
So nothing too exciting out of that.
Nope.
But we did get these
nothing.
awesome pins.
Yep.
So that's pretty cool.
So, Mom.
And that blister was only $9.98, so that was a pretty good deal, I think. Here is the Darkness Ablaze.
Okay, so let's open this up. Oh, I get to hold it?
Right there.
Okay, I'm holding it.
Don't move. Don't. Oh no. You moved. I am a dork.
I'm a dork.
You guys can go ahead and have that. Whichever way the camera is.
I want that one.
Here is the Eevee.
Oh,
Nice
you got an
and
Eevee in a
shiny.
booster pack?
I love the promo hollows because they have these like little dots in them. It looks
So
good.
you got an Eevee in your booster pack?
No, it came in the front.
I was just joking.
And a
Oh, I
coin.
can hold up. I like that coin.
We have Charizard, Grimmsnarl, and Scentiscorch. And I think like I usually do, I'm going to save that one for last.
Why?
Because I like Scentiscorch. All right. Yeah, we'll do Grimmsnarl first.
Make sure you put it on the camera.
We have a Dino, Passimian, Bunnelby, Vanillite, Gothita, psychic energy. Wow, that was weird. Old PC, thought I was saying it wrong. Ursa ring, a heat energy. Ooh, reverse hollow Darkrai, and a Greedent. Greedy. All right.
Okay, so I can open one for you now.
You can open Charizard.
Okay. Yep. I was gonna open that. I was like, should I open this under score? But no, I was like, I think I should go with this. I like the Charizard a lot. So I might give it a Charizard VMAX, but then I have to give it away.
No. You give it to me.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
I bet you will.
Okay, I'm not giving away my Charizard.
You gotta try not to show the code card.
Mom.
I mean, we want to see this side, honey. We want to show them this side so they can get the code card online, but we don't want to see that side because then it gives away what might be in there.
Okay, so Rebel.
Hey.
Rebel. Mommy. Tauros.
Rickety. Mr. Mime.
I'm keeping that as mine.
Water energy. Powerful energy. I can still see it. Solrock. Steenie. I swear to goodness. Electrike. Swanna. Centiskorch V.
Yeah,
nice. Hey, don't drop it, honey. You gotta be careful with it.
It's my card.
It's very nice. And I did not bring in my sleeves, which is disappointing for me right now. But that's very nice. And I do like Centiskorch a lot. Let me turn it back this way.
Mom, I want to open your booster pack.
I'm going to open that one.
No, how about I open the booster packs for you and I give them to you?
My turn.
Okay, now I don't get another booster pack. That's just insane.
And this one is going to be a surprise.
What surprise?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2.
Okay, are you?
The last card is going to be a surprise. We're going to not know if it's good or not. Okay, you got to keep the camera still.
It's hard.
Starly. Aeron. Cubchoo. Rowlet. Jigglypuff. A metal type energy. Dedenne. Birdkeeper. Solrock. Ooh, reverse hollow Talonflame. And a Staraptor, which means you got to open my only ultra rare pack. You little sneaker. Lucky dog.
Hey, give me that
All right. So here is our pull from those.
Mine.
And then we've got as soon as I can find it over here. This one, please give it back. Thank you. We've got Emmett, honey. I like to keep the cards nice.
Well, then these code cards are mine.
All right. Now things are getting pretty crazy, so I think it's time to go. Thanks for watching, everybody. Leave a thumbs up if you liked the video, and consider subscribing to my channel. And say bye.
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 I'm in there too.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.